Hey guys, it's Curry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy customizable pins for your crafty projects and just any sort of little projects you have. I like to add these to my accessories and my clothing, and I'm super happy that I'm able to customize these now on my own. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I made them, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and left a few links in the description of all the items that I'm going to be using in this DIY. If you guys are interested in doing this for yourself, these are all on Amazon, and yeah, so there's some links down below if you guys want to check that out later. But I'm going to go ahead and just get straight into the DIY. So the first thing I'm going to do is take an image that I printed out from my computer. I did leave a link as well to the PDF for this, so that way if you guys are interested in using the same images as me, you guys can. First, taking the little epoxy stickers, we're going to take the flat side that's sticked onto these little plastic sheets, and we're going to go ahead and apply them straight on to the image that we are going to be using for the pins. I'm going to take that little flat side and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on it. You can use whatever glue you'd like. I'm using this glue I got from Target. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now apply the epoxy to the image, and I'm going to press that down. Make sure it's centered. You don't want to end up having the blank white part of the paper in your pin. So far it looks like it's pretty good. I'm going to let this one dry, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying the other epoxy stickers to the other images. Now taking a pair of scissors, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the epoxied images, and you want to try to stay as close as possible to cutting around the epoxy stickers. You don't want to have excess paper surrounding the design, just so that it'll fit better into the next part of the project. Next, we're going to take our little circular images and we're going to apply them onto the bottle cap looking pieces. Taking the glue from earlier, I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of glue into the center of the bottle cap, and then using the nozzle, I'm going to just go ahead and spread the glue out just to make it a little bit more even, so that way once we put the images inside, it's a bit more flattened. And now taking the epoxy images, we're going to go ahead and just gently place each one into the bottle caps. So once that's placed, you're just going to give it a little tap just to give it like a firm hold onto the glue. And once that is done, this is how it should look. I think these bottle caps are really cool. They're really neat because they give this little frame to the whole design. And for this next part, you can go ahead and use these parts for whatever you'd like. You could turn these into necklaces, you could turn them into like jewelry, but I'm going to be showing you how to turn these into pins. To do this, we're going to go ahead and flip the bottle caps over to the back side where the image is not, and we're going to apply a straight line of glue right across the center of the bottle cap. And now taking one of the pin back clasps, we're going to go ahead and place it right across the glue we just applied, and we're going to let it sit here and dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step to all the other bottle caps, and then this is how the final product should look. I'm so excited that I found this DIY. I've been wanting to get so many pins, but I never was able to find the designs for them, so now I get to make them myself. And what's really cool about this idea is that you guys can use many different colors of bottle caps and really personalize this. And then you could really personalize your backpacks, your clothing. You could personalize like all kinds of different stuff with these little pins. And I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. Let me know if you make these creations and tag me on Instagram. I also have a Snapchat if you want to get my social media links down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!